Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, Happy Healthy Vibes. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of psychology to uncover some interesting facts about quiet people. You know the type. Those silent forces in a room who seem content to observe the chaos rather than participate in it. Well, I'm here to tell you that there's way more to them than meets the eye. So, if you've ever wondered what makes quiet people tick, stick around because you're about to find out. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more intriguing content. It really helps support my channel and lets me know what you guys want to see more of. Ever notice how quiet people seem to always be lost in thought? There's a reason for that. Quiet individuals often possess incredibly active minds, constantly analyzing, processing, and reflecting on the world around them, because they're not spending all their energy on outward expressions. They can dive deep into complex ideas and concepts. This makes them incredible listeners too. They're not just waiting for their turn to speak. They're genuinely interested in what you have to say and are absorbing every word. This depth of thought allows them to form well-rounded opinions and offer insightful perspectives when they do choose to share. They're not ones to jump to conclusions or make rash decisions. Instead, they carefully consider all angles before forming an opinion. So, the next time you're in a conversation with a quiet person, remember, their silence is a sign of deep thought and engagement, not disinterest. While others might be caught up in the hustle and bustle, quiet people are incredibly observant, noticing subtle cues and details that most miss. They're like detectives, picking up on body language, micro-expressions, and shifts in tone. This heightened awareness allows them to read people and situations with remarkable accuracy. They can often sense when something is off or when someone is feeling uneasy, even if it's not explicitly stated. Think of them as perceptive observers of human behavior. They're fascinated by the nuances of interaction and are constantly learning from what they see. This makes them incredibly insightful friends and confidants. They're not easily fooled by superficial displays and can see through facades to the heart of the matter. So if you're trying to pull a fast one, chances are a quiet person will see right through it. Don't mistake their quiet demeanor for a lack of personality. Quiet people often possess rich inner lives and vivid imaginations. They're daydreamers, storytellers, and creators, constantly exploring the depths of their own minds. They find joy in solitude, using this time to tap into their creativity and explore their passions. Whether it's writing, painting, composing music, or simply getting lost in a good book, they thrive in environments where they can connect with their inner world. This doesn't mean they're not social creatures, though. They simply value quality over quantity when it comes to social interaction. They'd rather have a few close friends with whom they can be their authentic selves than a large circle of acquaintances. So, if you're lucky enough to be let into their world, you'll discover a depth and richness that's truly special. Quiet people are often highly empathetic individuals, deeply attuned to the emotions of those around them. They have a knack for sensing how others are feeling, even if it's not directly expressed. This empathy stems from their ability to listen intently and observe subtle cues. They pick up on nonverbal signals, tone of voice, and even the slightest changes in facial expressions. They're not quick to judge or offer unsolicited advice. Instead, they offer a listening ear and a compassionate presence. Their quiet understanding can be incredibly comforting, providing a safe space for others to open up and share their feelings. They're the friends you go to when you need a shoulder to cry on or someone to celebrate your victories with. This deep capacity for empathy makes them incredible friends, partners, and family members, always there to offer support and understanding. While quiet people may cherish their solitude, they are not immune to the desire for connection. In fact, they often form deep, meaningful relationships with those they let into their inner circle. They are not interested in superficial small talk or fleeting connections. Instead, they seek out genuine, authentic relationships built on mutual respect and understanding. They're incredibly loyal friends and partners, fiercely protective of those they care about. Their relationships are characterized by deep conversations, shared passions, and a genuine appreciation for each other's company. They're the kind of friends who you can go months without seeing, but when you reconnect, it's like no time has passed at all. So, if you're fortunate enough to call a quiet person your friend, know that you're cherished and valued for the unique individual you are. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Maybe you even have a friend or two who come to mind after watching this video. Let them know you appreciate them. Comment below if you have any other interesting psychological facts about quiet people. I'm always fascinated to learn more about the complexities of human behavior. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. See you in the next one.